the channel. It's your girl Mary Unique, and I'm back with another freaking video. Why are you laughing at me? Today I got my husband with me, you guys.
What's up?
Alright, and so today we're going to be trying Turkish Munchies. So let me go ahead and show you all what it is. We have been struggling to say Turkish Munchies.
Turkish Munchies.
Like, we can't say it 3 times in a row.
Turkish
Munchies. Turkish Munchies. That's
Turkish
hard.
Munchies.
So if y'all can do that in the comment section, let us know if y'all can, because that's been kind of hard. So, anyways, these are just... Yeah, I'm excited. The only reason he here from work so early is because he want to eat. So, these are snacks from Turkey, and it's kind of exciting to be trying food from around the world.
I know, right?
I've always wanted to do that, and normally people start with like Japanese food and stuff, but I thought that was pretty basic, and so I wanted to go with someone else, and I went with Turkey. I'll leave a link down in the description box to this box on Amazon if you want to purchase it and try it with your family.
I got a feeling it's gonna be good though.
It probably is.
I just want the chocolate.
Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Let's try to get this video to 30 thumbs ups. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers. You guys, turn your notification bell on so you're notified whenever I drop a video. Or he said one day he may take over the channel and drop a video, so we gonna see.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Just turn your notification on and be surprised. The first thing that comes in this package, you guys, is this brochure, and I'm so happy that they actually include this because it tells everything in English. Like, it tells you what you're eating, if it's allergies in it, and like just everything. So
I don't want to know though. I don't care about all that. I just want to eat.
Whatever. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Y'all see all these goodies? It's like honestly full. Like, this box is full.
Somebody's stomach gonna be hurt after this video.
It's probably my stomach, because lately my stomach been through. It's been trash. So we're gonna go ahead and pick one. Let's pick this one. Yeah. We're gonna pick this one because we accidentally ripped it. It smells good.
I think somebody was sneaking.
No, nigga, don't play with me. Y'all, this is called Cat Tat. It looks pretty good. You do that, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the manual and see what it is. Let's find it on here. Cat Tat. It says
it's glittery.
Glitter. It's probably sugar. So it says croissantish baked in a Turkish style filled with goodness inside. So let me do the thing behind the hands. This is what it looks like.
It smells good.
It does, and it is like glittery, but it really is probably sugar. Okay, listen, for the crunch. Oh, we need a napkin. It's like crunching everywhere. Okay, here we go. Whoa, this thing is like a croissant. It's so fluffy.
I want the big one.
It's like so fluffy. Look at this, y'all, before we bite it. It's like so fluffy. Okay, you ready?
Oh, it smells good.
1, 2, 3. You like it?
It's fluff. It's like a fluffiness. Fluffiness and chocolate.
It's okay.
I love it.
It's okay.
That was good.
I think that is pretty good. Like, I can see why he's so obsessed with it. Like, it's good.
I don't really like the flakiness, but once you
it's flaky, but it's kind of not. I like more soft stuff.
Well, once you get through that, it's delicious.
It's good. This is a Diet Coke, y'all.
Oh, I didn't know they had like
hazelnut.
Yeah.
It's like Nutella type stuff inside. It's pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and pick the next thing. Want to get something savory or not yet? Let's try something savory.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got some savory, y'all. These are called pizza crackers.
Interesting.
So we already know pizza crackers. So it should just be a little savory snack like a cracker. Get one, get two. Let's go ahead and show them first before we eat it.
If I can grab it.
So this is what it looks like. They're like little crackers. And they have like herbs and things on them.
Oh, it got garlic in it?
1, 2, 3, go. Do you like it? They remind me of...
They good, I just can't get it. I'm trying to see what it tastes like.
Look.
Let me see.
That was good. It reminds me of... It reminds me of those sticks, and they actually got some in here, so I'm gonna show y'all in a minute what it reminds me of.
Y'all, I can't stop eating.
They're good. Stop. Okay, next snack. Go ahead and pick one.
Let's do this.
What? Okay. This is called 9 Cat Cat. And it looks like it has like bananas or something in it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and open it.
You open the last one, let me open that one.
Oh, whatever. Let me go ahead and just pull up what it is while he's doing that. So this one says it is a wafer filled with banana paste. So
that sounds good.
Yeah, and this is why he can't open things anymore, because he does stuff like this. Like, why do men always just rip stuff?
I mean, cuz.
So it's like a basic wafer. 1, 2, 3. It's different.
Tastes like medicine. You know that pink medicine? That tastes like bubblegum?
It's the no for me, sis.
It tastes like Pepto, Pepto-Bismol.
That's crazy because I love banana things. Like, it's good, but it's different. Because here in the States, like, when you hear wafer, you hear like vanilla or strawberry, sometimes chocolate, but you don't hear banana, so it's kind of like different, but it's still good. Let's move on to another one. So, Bidolu. I'm opening it because he always rips things. Bidolu. Find Bidolu. Bidolu. I don't know. It doesn't really tell what it is. It just says that crispy wafer on the outside with a creamy inside, and some of it's chocolatey, peanut buttery. So. Oh
yeah, but that's gonna be something new with you.
Yeah, y'all know I don't do peanut butter, so this is gonna be a little weird. But it's cool. It's cool.
This might change your mind with peanut butter.
I don't know. I'm not a peanut butter lover, so I'm gonna just break a little piece. Oh, this chocolate is melty.
Oh, it smells good.
Okay, I can't wait on you. Y'all, this chocolate is like gooey. 1, 2, 3, go.
It tastes like a nutty butter.
It do. A softer nutty butter. Just picture a nutty butter bar with more of the chocolatey peanut butterish and less wafer.
That's good.
Yeah, that is good. I don't even like peanut butter. Oh yeah, that one mine. You can have those banana things. Okay, next. Can we take a break and eat some more pizza crackers?
Yeah, give me some more of those. I like it.
Because everything is so sweet, and we need something to balance it out.
Man, I'm sorry. They're delicious.
Alright, next snack. Let's do something more savory. Let's do one of these. So, we're going to do this. These are just like crackers. They look kind of like in between crackers and pretzels. And we're going to try them. When I was saying that the pizza crackers taste like those sticks They kind of used to look like this. Y'all remember those sticks they used to have like seasoning on the outside? That's what that piece of crust would taste like. Yeah, these are just pretzels. Those are mine.
They taste just like pretzels.
But they're softer.
Give me one more.
Our pretzels here are hard. Can you tell?
Mm-hmm.
These are the softest pretzels I've ever had. They're so light and airy.
Those mine right there.
Mm-mm.
You can have the
Look how light these are. Look, 3. Good on my bad. Okay, here, eat the rest of these. Those are good. Alright, let's move on. Let's do this.
Yeah.
You sure? Alright, let's do this. It's called Cause Helva. Cause Helva. Let me show y'all what it is.
Hell of a good.
Shut up. So Cause Helva. You go ahead and open it. Well, no, I don't trust you. He gonna rip it all down the side.
We need some scissors.
Okay, it says a light candy with walnuts. It's a healthy snack and convenient alternative to more sweet ones. So this is supposed to be a healthy one. Taste.
I don't really eat walnuts though.
Okay, wait, let me show them what it looks like. So it's supposed to be healthy. Let's go.
I feel like
It's
like
chewy. Yeah, people hear healthy and be like, oh no. It tastes like something I've had before. It's soft.
I'm not digging that.
They love wafers in this place, country, whatever. It's like a lot of things have been wafer.
It's kind of too sweet.
A lot of times the less healthy stuff tastes sweet because they use like artificial flavors and sweeteners.
Yeah, no, I'm not digging that.
It's something I can only have a little taste of, but it's good. It's not bad.
It ain't bad, I just, no.
Well, it's mine. And I'll eat on it for about 3 days because that's how sweet it tastes.
You can have that. Okay, let's try this.
Okay, so this one is called Sin. C-I-N. It's at the top. What does it say? What does it say?
It says a gin.
It doesn't say like what it is, but this is it. It looks like a little pie type thing, and it has a strawberry on it. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Oh, it's like a little cookie. It's soft, actually. Oh, I'm not gonna like this. I'm not gonna like this because I don't like gooey stuff. It smells sweet.
Oh, I know I ain't gonna like it. I'm gonna tell you that now.
It's got like gooey stuff on the inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. It's a no for me.
No. It's 2 so far for me that's got a no.
I don't like that one. That's like the first one that I just don't like.
It tastes like a...
It tastes like medicine. Alright, so here is...
Oh, I got a feeling I know what they're gonna taste like.
This is like a big wafer. It's just a big wafer. This is the one that I think on the paper was saying that people put ice cream over it. So it probably is good with ice cream over it.
It's good by itself, I guarantee you.
Yeah, it's just a big wafer. Look, it's like an ice cream cone thing. That's crazy that they sell it like this. Oh, it's stuff inside. It's like marshmallow. I don't know if y'all can tell. Y'all see that inside? It's like white. It's like a marshmallow layer inside. Now, I'm not a big fan of marshmallow, but I'm sure it's good.
Oh no.
Too sweet. I don't like that. I don't like that. If it had just been a plain wafer, I would have liked it.
I really don't taste nothing. It's like you just eating a wafer. Like I don't taste nothing.
You don't taste the waffle. Okay, open it inside. Stop eating it like that. It's because he want to swallow everything without tasting. Okay. This is the next one. These are just like little crackers with seasoning on them. So,
what's the name of it?
Crispy Quebec cracker. It's that one, the fourth one.
No.
You smell it as soon as it comes out. What's the seasonings? Y'all, these smell good. I'm not waiting on him.
It don't say 10 different herbs.
So it's a bunch of herbs and stuff. You gotta taste it. These are good. These are mine. He's gonna steal them from me. Okay, fine. You get those. I'll get the little pretzel ones.
You know how you eat something but you can't talk because it's so good. Mmm.
Those are good.
These are, man. I think this is the best one out of all this.
So we got like candy. We were gonna say that last after we eat all this other stuff. This is the last one that we're gonna try this not candy. And it's like Danica Halty. This one looks kind of like a carrot cake or something, you guys. Give me the paper.
What's the name of it?
Danica. Girl, where you at? Girl, she ain't on here. Girl, she ain't on here. They just threw her last minute.
They forgot.
So it's like a little loaf of bread though. But it has carrots on it. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a favorite of mine because I love carrot cake. Like carrot cake is my life.
I don't like carrot cake.
And that's why you ain't getting none.
I smell it. I already know I ain't gonna.
You better not play over this carrot cake. Go.
It's good.
Too much for me.
I like it. I don't even eat carrot cake. It's good.
I don't like it. It tastes burnt. So the last things that we have are these and these. So we're gonna do these first and we'll end off on those. So these are like Pop Rocks, but they're kind. And look what flavor it is. Banana. So it seems like over there they love banana and they love wafers. So I'm probably gonna enjoy this. This is gonna be fun.
I like wafers too.
It says popping pasito. It smells like banana. Okay. Okay, let's go. You're not supposed to chew it.
It's like you frying chicken.
These are good. I love the banana flavor on these. They taste like a banana Laffy Taffy, don't it? It tastes just like a banana Laffy Taffy, but in popping rods. Okay, so let's go ahead and end off on the last things. I say these for last because it looks like they may be sour by what they look like. It's like a little thing. This is their candy. So let's go ahead and do it. It's just a little ball. 1, 2, 3, go.
I knew it was gonna be hot. It says smell hot.
It's sour. It's not hot. He said hot. It's sour. Their sour don't last long though. It's just like a little taste of sour and then it go away. It's gum. That's good. Oh, the inside.
I like it. It start off sour, then once you get in, just.
Why the inside tastes like a pepper? It's like a peppery taste, like a pepper. Don't you taste it? It's like flavored peppers. So this one says what? That it's gonna be a surprise.
It was gonna be a surprise. They couldn't tell you exactly what it was.
Yeah, it was a surprise, alright. That thing was sour. And then like when you start to get to the bubble gum, it was like this pepper taste, like a jalapeno taste. But then it went away.
The sourness lasts 10 seconds.
That's about right. It only lasts like 5 seconds, really, to be honest. But anyway, that's pretty much it, y'all. Stop smacking. Y'all, that was good. That was fun.
Overall, all it was good though.
Yeah, I really enjoyed this. I can't wait to do another country next. Like, what do you want to do next? Tokyo?
Yeah.
That would be fun. So we're gonna keep doing this, you guys. If y'all want to do this with us, just hit those links in the comments in the description box, and y'all get these and try them with y'all family. If y'all want to do this with us, go ahead and hit that description box, the link in the description box at the top of the description box, and get y'all this on Amazon, y'all. It's fun. Like, sit down with your kids, family gatherings, and just try snacks from around the world. I think it's very important to get to know other cultures and get to know what other people are eating around the world, because overall, eating and food brings conversation, love, and gathering, a good time. So, have any final thoughts?
Y'all gotta try that though, cause it's honestly it was good.
And it was fun.
It's worth buying, honestly.
It was fun. So, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and peace out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. Help us get to 5,000. Share this video with a friend or a cousin, an aunt, your son, your daughter, whatever. Share this video.
Yeah, baby, anybody.
And leave a comment down below telling everyone hello. So, let's go. Bye.
Peace, y'all. You so...
That's what Zuri was doing the other day when Keto took her pictures in her Halloween outfit. She was like this. Where the heck she get that from? Y'all, she's like 3. She's like...
She was trying to make her dimples and stuff go in.
Y'all, that joke was so funny. But okay, bye.